By default, Kdenlive don't have this noise suppressor for voice plugin. So we need to install it manually. So before that, I will show you some output. So with noise suppressor for voice and without it. So for that, just I have already added, but I'm now just removing it. Just open. By default, Kdenlive don't have noise suppressor for voice plugin. So we need. Okay. You have listened that the our video or voice or background voice has a lot of noises, and it is not very cool. So if we need to add this LADSPA plugins and noise suppressor voice, just click here, drag and drop on your audio, and now it is added. And if we check it out, by default, Kdenlive don't have noise suppressor for voice plugin. Now our voice is twice. That's because we are using this recorder, but our background noise, everything is removed, and we are getting just professional like voice. To install it, and you can check it out like just disable and enable by clicking here. And now we will see how to install this. So first we need to just install git. Just search on your browser, install git, then go to so if you use Linux, then you can use like that, or any other operating system, you need to download it manually. So for after that, we need to open your terminal and any directory. Go and sorry, let's remove it. You can open any directory, and you need to open your terminal, and after that you need to install this. You need to like clone your this GitHub repository in your terminal and in your directory. So cd and slash downloads. I will just we're gonna install it on the downloads folder, clone it on download folder. So git clone, just copy it, just copy and paste. Sorry, just copy it and paste it here. And after cloned, you need to go to this directory, the clone directory, and after that you need to install some packages, and at the last so you need to build, and at the last you need to just move everything to this directory, to your this LADSPA plugin directory. So this is it. So first we need to install this git, and you need to git -v, and after successfully install git, if you give the command, you will find the git version. And after that you need to open this terminal, go your specific directory or any directory that you want, and git clone, and just you need to use this command. After that you need to go to this directory, and you need to install some necessary packages and build your just voice suppressor, and after that copy build file to LADSPA. So that is it. After that, if you have already opened Kdenlive, you need to just close it, and if you don't have, then you can open it and just search on noise, and you will find LADSPA plugin, this noise suppressor voice, and drag and drop on your audio. Then it will be remove everything from your background, and you will find a professional video background and voice. By default, Kdenlive don't have noise suppressor for voice plugin, and your every noise, everything is removed from your